This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Susie Burns. Located in the center of the village is this 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a sunroom being sold as is with no repairs being made. 2-car carport with storage. Showings held through April 1st. Will need 48 hours for reviewing all offers by church council. Then will be given to attorney. This property is subject to court approval needing additional 4 days. POA records show sunroom added in 1997, heat and air 2001, water line replaced from road to home 2008, roof 2017. Oven door lock does not allow oven door to close. For more information, review the details below or contact Susie Burns at 501-922-8989.